So I got my exhaust brake to work on my diesel, but I don't know much about it. Is it okay to drive with the exhaust brake on? I don't know, first diesel I've ever owned. Anyway, here's a before and after clip. Starting it without the exhaust brake and then starting it with the exhaust brake. I want to drive around the block and see what it sounds like, you know, downshifting through the gears with that on. But is it okay? I had to order a new solenoid, so I can only turn it on by swapping the vacuum hoses so it gets full vacuum and opens the solenoid thingy to open the valve, the exhaust brake itself. So anyway, here's the video. Nothing.